Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable rounded tab pages or tab corners in your Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go up to the address bar in Microsoft Edge, and you want to type in edge :// flags, again edge followed by a :// flags, and hit enter. Now in the search flags field, type in rounded tabs. So Microsoft Edge rounded corners as well as make rounded tabs feature available. I'd recommend turning both of them to the enabled position here, and then select restart. And we're going to go ahead and restart our browser. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.